Ready to unlock the real estate market secrets by scraping Zillow and Redfin, but without getting into trouble. First, understand that Zillow and Redfin have terms of service, so ethical scraping is crucial. Always respect their Robots.txt file, which dictates what you can and cannot scrape. And avoid overwhelming their servers with rapid requests. This prevents your IP from getting blocked and keeps things fair. Next, you'll need the right tools. Python is a popular choice with libraries like Beautiful Soup and Scrapy. Beautiful Soup excels at parsing HTML, which is how the data is structured on websites, while Scrapy is a more powerful framework for building web scraping bots. Inspect the Zillow or Redfin page you want to scrape using your browser's developer tools to identify the specific HTML tags containing the data you need, like property prices, addresses, and descriptions. Now, write your scraping script. The script will send HTTP requests to Zillow or Redfin URLs. Then, it will parse the HTML response, extract the desired data based on the HTML tags you identified, and store the data in a structured format like a CSV file or a database. Before running your scraper at full speed, test it on a small sample of pages to ensure it works as expected and doesn't trigger any rate limits. Once validated, you can scale up your scraping, but always implement delays between requests to mimic human behavior and avoid overloading the servers. Finally, analyze the data you've collected to gain insights into real estate trends, property values, and market dynamics. Remember, web scraping is a powerful tool, but use it responsibly and ethically. Good luck, and happy scraping.